I started to work with Max because I really like its modularity, I would say. I'm not a very good programmer. I'm not doing a lot of text programming. I'm not a professional in IT. I wasn't studying anywhere computer science or something similar. I don't know math very well, but since I'm working with technologies, I'm extremely interested in having possibilities to combine really complex and interesting and complicated elements in my art pieces. Of course, Max is not the only weapon I use and not the only tool, but if I had only Max, I would still have endless amount of possibilities in doing what I'm doing. What I really like that without being professional in any of the topics, but with having some knowledge and some skills in any of the fields, Max allow you to combine this all together. Very intuitive